I had to buy these early. This right here is the best Air Jordan release of the entire year. So far, that's gonna happen for a while. These are definitely going to be in the top 5 sneakers of the entire year for most people. When it all said is done at the end of the year, easily a top 5. Shout out to Chicago Imperium. I got these from him. He has pairs early. He always has early sneakers. I had to go ahead and cop these. Oh my goodness, these are a must. These are straight fire. We're gonna talk about the Jordan 3 White Cement 2023 Reimagined. These are fire, straight fire. I am so happy to finally have this sneaker. These are amazing, amazing. So here's the box right here. We do have the aged box, which is nice. They did switch it up. They do have that aged effect to it, just like the Lost and Founds, which we'll take a look at as well. Here we have the top of the box coming off, and we have the tissue paper. And then we have, here they are, the Air Jordan 3. Woo! White Cement 2023, the Reimagined, with the yellow on the back, the midsole. These are amazing. I can't wait to put these on my feet. Speaking of which, if you guys want me to do an on-foot review video, please smash that like button for me, hit that thumbs up, and make sure you guys subscribe. Leave a comment, let me know you guys want to see these on feet, and I'll be sure to do that video ASAP. I am blown away with the White Cement 3s. I love these. These are a classic, an iconic sneaker. If it wasn't for the Jordan 3, we wouldn't have more Jordans. So these have a lot of history. This is an OG colorway. They did these right, to be honest with you. The quality, very soft. This leather is so soft. The Nike Air on the back, done very nicely. It is in that OG form. You do have the cream going on, the aged effect going on throughout the back, as well as the midsole, to replicate and mimic a 1988 pair of Jordan 3 White Cements. This is what it would look like. Of course, 1988 White Cement 3s are no longer wearable. A lot of them are cracked, crumbling even, so it's definitely very nice to see them back. And I'm excited with this aged effect. They remind me a lot of the Lost and Founds with that aged effect going on. So you do have the crackling going on and the aged effect here on the Lost and Found, the Chicago. So it's nice that they did it here on the Jordan 3 White Cement, which is an OG colorway, a classic, an iconic shoe. I'm so happy they brought them back. I did have these, the 2011 pair. However, I just want to give you guys a big disclaimer about the White Cement 3s. Be careful of bleeding. What I mean by that is when you wear these, especially with jeans, blue jeans, you do not want to make sure, you want to make sure basically that the blue dye does not get on the back. On the 2011 pair, it did heavily for me here on the back, and it was white. It wasn't this cream color. So you guys need to watch out for that. You know, prepare your jeans. I recommend washing them inside out. I think that'll definitely help. But here we go. They're clean, they're iconic, they're classic. The leather quality is soft, it's very nice. They did give us the Jordan 3 tongue, the new Jordan 3 tongue. You know, back in 2011, it did have more of the red popping out here. It does have more of the white, so there's no red popping out. It does have the red on the back, though. Very nice, the stitched in Jumpman. That Nike Air just screams, it pops. I can't wait to put these on feet. These are going straight to feet. So if you guys want me to do an updated video, you know, of these on feet and everything, leave a comment, let me know. These are amazing, man. I am so thrilled they brought them back. We got to talk about resale, because resale right now is expensive. They're going for over $500 right now. You know, Chicago Imperium does have them for less than that, so make sure you guys give them a follow over on Instagram and get some early shoes, White Cement 3s, and all the releases, honestly, early. So make sure you guys check out Chicago Imperium over on Instagram. But resale, like I said, over $500 for the most part right now. I am expecting, of course, prices to drop. I do think they will go for around $350 to $400 and potentially creep up to like $450. They definitely have demand to them, hype to them. It's the Jordan 3 after all. White cement, colorway, a classic iconic shoe. And they brought them back with this aged effect. There's going to be a crap ton of pairs. I just want to give you guys a heads up. There's going to be a lot of pairs. There's going to be a lot of pairs. There was a lot of pairs of Lost and Founds. It just doesn't seem like it because hype, demand is through the roof. Well, same type of thing is going to happen here with the white cements. A lot of people are going to want these white cements. They do release on March 11th. Retail, I believe, is $210. They're going to sell out. Instant sellout. Instant hype, instant resell, instant demand. Release day, they're going to be like $400. I do expect them to drop a little bit and then creep back up. You clicked on this video, you're a sneakerhead, you need a Sole Premise sneaker bag. Sole Premise makes the best sneaker bags on earth. These bags hold your sneakers safely and securely when you're traveling. You also have room for your clothes, your laptop, your chargers, and a bunch more. Sole Premise bags are fire, straight fire quality. They make a ton of different bags, all different colors, all different styles, all made to store your sneakers safely with you. Make sure you guys check out Sole Premise with my link down below in the description, sneakerheads. And please use my promo code DannyMoore to save yourself 40% off your entire order from the best sneaker bags on earth. Make sure you guys check out Sole Premise. The link is down below in the description. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring this fire video. These are the best sneaker bags on earth. Giveaway for the Travis Scott Black Phantom Jordan 1s. All you guys need to do to enter this free giveaway is like this video, smash that like button, make sure you guys subscribe, smash that subscribe button, and leave a comment. Let me know your size in the Travis Scott Black Phantoms. DM me proof over on Instagram that you guys subscribed, and make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. I'll be picking the winner the beginning of March, so make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of Travis Scott Black Phantoms. Now, these white cements, man, we got to talk about the release because they're going to be a problem. If you guys had a problem with the Lost and Founds and thought that these were hard to get, same story, same effect going on here with the white cements. Same thing going to happen. Demand's going to be high, supply is going to be high, but demand is going to outweigh that supply a lot. The Jordan 3 doesn't usually have a ton of hype. Certain pairs do, like the Reimagined, but when it comes to OG colorways like this, with that new effect going on that Jordan brand is giving us, that aged effect that they're giving us, the storytelling that they're giving us, it definitely is causing prices and demand certainly to go through the roof. So don't think on release day that you're going to be able to get these very easily, because you're not. On the sneakers app, they'll have a lot of pairs, but expect a lot of L's to be given out when it comes to the white cement 3s on release day, March 11th. They're going to be tough to get, guys. I do recommend going true to size with these. Your Jordan 3s, you do want to go true to size, just like your Jordan 4s, Jordan 1s. I think this is a very good, comfortable pair of Air Jordans. The Jordan 3, to me, has always been one of the more comfortable retros, to me personally. I'm a huge fan of the white cements. I'm going to show you guys the black cements. We got to compare that elephant print, because the elephant print here definitely is different and has that aged effect going on as well. 2018 black cement 3s, and then we have the new 2023 white cement 3s. Take a look at that elephant print. The elephant print is certainly a little bit different on the two sneakers. It's definitely a little darker here and bolder than it is here on the new pair. And I like the new pair elephant print a little more, to be honest with you. It's more gray, and it definitely is a lot closer, of course, to the OG, which is fire. Definitely a very nice subtle detail with the new elephant print compared to the 2018 black cement 3 elephant print. Take a look at those elephant prints. I definitely prefer that OG look. It's darker. It just looks a little bit better in my opinion. It's a very clean look. And take a look at the toe box. They definitely have changed the toe box, the shape. The shape is different. There's the tongue difference I was talking about before. You do have the red showing here on the black cement and then not showing here on the new 2023. And the Nike Air as well on the back being a little different as well. Good details, much closer to the OG here on the 2023 white cement reimagined Air Jordan 3s. I am so happy with these details. The aged pamphlet showing you the details of the Air Jordan 3 as well as the hang tag really make up this shoe. Details, the box, the storytelling is incredible. Between these two sneakers right here, I want you guys to leave a comment and pick one. I know that's tough. Personally, I can't. If I had to pick, no choice, I'm probably gonna go with the ones, but I definitely love the 3s. I think these are definitely amazing. These are fire, straight fire. Nike and Jordan Brand knocked out of the park. They did an amazing job. White laces. I do wish the laces, thinking about it, were a little cream, just like the midsole and the back. I think that would be fire, but you can go ahead and do a lace swap if you want to. This is a very clean, wearable pair of Air Jordan 3s. Resale, hype through the roof on the white cements. Now, I am looking forward, and I'm sure you guys are too, to more aged sneakers just like these two. They're absolutely killing it with this theme, the details, making them look much closer to the OG as possible. Between these two, the Lost and Founds and the new white cement 3s, they're definitely doing an amazing job. Hopefully they do it here on the black cement too. That would be amazing. Do it on more sneakers. Keep this going. I love this theme. I'm here for it. It's something new. It's something exciting. The only thing that I'm worried about, and I do not see people talking about, is how are these sneakers going to actually look, you know, 5, 10, 15 years down the line. Not pretty at all, especially these 3s. I do recommend wearing them because if you don't, one day they will not be wearable much sooner than if you actually wore them. They would last a lot longer. So I do recommend wearing your white cements. I definitely be putting these straight to feet, and I cannot wait. So make sure you guys hit that like button for me. Make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel if you guys want to see more early sneakers, just like the white cement Jordan 3s, the Reimagined. These are fire, straight fire. Once again, shout out to Chicago Imperium. Thank you, brother. Make sure you guys check him out. His link is down below in the description. Give him a follow on Instagram and go cop your early sneakers. He has more pairs now before release for a great price. Make sure you guys cop. They're fire, straight fire. Don't sleep on the white cement Air Jordan 3. When these release, these are going to be a major, major problem, just like the Lost and Founds were. Don't sleep. Make sure you guys cop, put in the footwork, and good luck on release date for the Air Jordan 3 White Cement 88. I will have more content coming on these. These are Reimagined, the 88 version. These are fire, straight fire, man. I can't get over how clean, how good these are. More videos coming on these. Make sure you guys subscribe. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire, straight fire. The Air Jordan 3 White Cement Reimagined 2023 is fire, straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.